Our live show will begin now. I'm today's host, Aria. First, it's my great honor to take this opportunity to introduce Perfect Laser to you. Perfect Laser is a professional manufacturer of industrial laser equipment since 1995. Until now, we have 20 years history in this field. And our main products including laser marking machine, laser cutting machine, laser welding machine, laser engraving machine, etc. And more than 20 series, 300 tabs. And all the machines have got CE, ISO, and RAW certificate, and are certified by the international inspection institutions such as TUV and SGS. And we have got 63 national patents. The core technique achievement can reach the international advanced level. As a result, our products have been exported to more than 180 countries, including Japan, Italy, Russia, Korea, the United States, the UAE, Brazil, Turkey, and many other countries. And we also got a great reputation for our customers all over the world. We also have a talented 95% of our teammates are bachelor and the master degree. And we can provide those 2 hours quickly response worldwide. And also 24 hours to 7 days after sales services to you. And our goal is simple. We want to sell the high-volume product at the best price. And we want to provide the industry-leading after-sales customer services to you. And today, we will introduce how to make beautiful logos and signs by our laser marking machine. And we also will tell you how to choose the right set model on your own needs. And in order to thanks for your watching, we also prepare lots of coupons and gifts. And you can enjoy those benefits. And as the March Expo's best season deals in Perfect Laser, to participate in March Shopping Festival, you can enjoy the following benefits. First, see here. First, if you place an order over $7,000, guess what? You will get a coupon that worth $100. It's totally worth it. So I hope you will not miss this chance. And also, if you place an order over $300, you will get coupons of $50. And if you place an order over $2,000, you also will get a coupon of $30. And if you place an order over $100, you also will get coupons of $20. It's totally worth it. And besides that, our company also prepare many exclusive gifts and attractive promotion policy to you. And I will introduce them to you later, so keep watching. And if you're watching us now, please follow us channel by clicking the following button here. And you can find us easily next time. And also, please give us a like here. It's means a lot to us, and thank you so much for your support. And if you want to know more information about our product, you can find the product list here. Is that clear? And you can get the coupons in our live showroom page and use it directly when you place the order. And now, let me invite our sales engineer, Mr. Dominate, and he is a professional in the laser field. He will introduce you how to use the laser marking machine to make beautiful logos and the signs. Let's give him a round of applause to welcome him.
Hello, how are you?
I'm fine.
Thank you for the wonderful introduction. Yes, welcome back to our final live show again.
Yeah.
So, it's such an exciting time to be here today with you, the viewers, for us to see our fiber laser marking machine.
And the
wow.
our customers?
Yes, I'm more than honorable to give you all the information and all the samples and all kinds of things that you're going to see by our engineer. So, we have 4 machines just right behind me. So with these 4 machines, I'm going to give you a view of them one by one. So, right here just behind me, you see a Pedb 400H machine. And then just right next to it, we have a Pedb 400B machine. And then on my other right hand side, we have a 400 Pedb 600B machine. And then the other machine that we have is a Pedb 400F machine. Alright, that was so incredible. 4 machines, you are going to get to know them one by one today. You are going to be amazed at what we have for you in this live show today. Alright, so bear with me as I give you a few applications concerning our fiber laser marking machine. So, with these applications that we have here, is the fiber laser marking machine is of good quality output, being and very high reliability. It can be carved both on metal materials and some non-metallic materials, mainly marked in areas for some very good smoothness. So fineness demanding, such as electronic products, metalware, watches, such as electronic jewelry, IC, plastic, button, and other graphic surfaces. So anything that you're looking for, this machine can do the great outstanding performance. So the effect on bitmap marking is particularly outstanding. As you can see here, we have ear tags, we have this, we have some spoons there, we have wristbands, we have bicycle, we have some logos, company logos such as Coca-Cola logo there. So for your company's branding, this is mostly suitable and convenient. So right now, let's look at our samples. You will be amazed by these samples that we have on this table that you see here right with me. So, hey, are you ready to look at these samples?
Yeah, definitely. I'm so looking forward to.
Wow, these samples are so incredible.
Yeah.
But I see the marking, the logos. This just looks impressive.
Yeah, so
Wow.
clear.
So clear. Firstly, let's go through them one by one. Okay. All right. So firstly, right, would have a cylinder kind of shape. So even the cylinder, it can have a clear marking right there.
Yeah.
That is for you to see. This is completely outstanding. The reliability is impressive. I love this.
Me too.
So, this is so cool. What about even sizes? You can see this is a big size, but what about on a smaller size? Wow, perfect fiber laser marking machine. Our company's there.
Yes, our logo.
Look, we have done it on our company's logo.
Yes.
You too can do the same thing. If you're having a business and you want to have your company's logo on this machine, please, this machine is really perfect. Okay. Wow, that was so incredible.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, as I can see, this is something also round, right?
Yeah.
But the color is much different.
Yeah.
It's yellow, orange.
Orange.
Yeah, orange, yes. Oh yeah, please, let them have a look at this.
Marking is so
Wow,
clear,
this
right?
is so cool. I know people have different colors that they like.
Yeah.
Some they like orange, some they like white, black, and blue. Blue is my favorite color actually. But look, the marking is still outstanding.
Yeah.
Please, let's have it for our viewers.
And the customer even could customize the things they want to mark, right?
Okay, that was really a good sample that we had here. And then we're looking into something more like this. Like now, some companies might want some barcodes and stuff like that, company with letters and numbers. It can also do the same.
Yeah, it's
Yes.
also the company's factory.
All right, that was so wonderful.
Yeah.
Now, when we look at a light bulb, this light bulb that we see here, as you can see, there is some words written there. Please, let our viewers have a look.
So
Did you
that's
see
the
that?
plastic
Just
things, right?
from this edge to the other edge, it can go rotational.
Yeah.
This is really impressive. I like this. And you know what? I really like drinking coffee.
Really?
And I really have this. And I like to have my own design of a special logo or even my name on it.
It's special.
Really special. Please, let the viewers have a look.
So you can just mark the things you want to mark on this kind of a card.
Wow, that is so great.
Yeah.
Yes, and next up we have is on grade plastic. Really, this is so cool. On plastic, like this one is such a good electro plug. So you can see there's a lot of marking done there. Wow. Let them have a view of the markings done. Wow, that was a good sample that I saw there. And then I want to go a little bit more romantic now. Ooh, it's time to be romantic. Wow, look, chocolate. I love chocolate, especially when I like to give it to my mother. Yesterday was Women's Day.
Yeah.
Yes, and if you'd like to have a marking to give it to someone special, this can also be done.
Gifts, right?
Right, please, let them have a look. All right, that was perfect. And now we have the picture here and the company's name here.
Yeah.
Wow, this is so incredible.
This card is marking the yellow crane top and have our company logo. It's really clear and beautiful, right?
Wow. Have you ever wondered about a different kind of material? Stainless steel.
Oh, it can mark our
Wow,
stainless
it's
steel.
shining, it's so bright, it's so clear.
Yeah.
Yes, this is what I want our viewers to see. Wow. It's really perfect. I just love what I see. What about our next sample that we have here? Wow.
Dragon on it?
Dragon. Wow, this is incredible.
Yeah.
Let them have a look. Okay, that was wonderful. Do you see? Still on a different color.
Yeah.
This is also still incredible.
So our machine is really great. Can even mark different color.
All right. Are you working in a business that you have a company and you want your company's logo on your pen? Our lovely machine can do that for you. You can have your company's logo on your pen, just like ours, Perfect Laser. Please, let them have a look.
So it's really great for company to send as gifts, right?
Wow, this is good.
Lovely.
Good. What about if that's not the color I want, and I want my company's
It's blue.
pen to be more smooth and blue? Yeah, this is still good. Okay, wonderful. So, look at this. These are animal tags right here. So here, you can make it special for your pets, your dogs. This is so incredible. And you can actually have your name of your pet on it. Let them have a look. Wow, that was so cool. Another bigger type of earpiece is this one. You can actually print out even your cell phone number, your dog's name, in case it goes missing, people can call you.
Yeah.
Yes, this is so incredible.
It's really a useful gadget.
Wow, so spectacular. I'm loving this. So, right next we have, wow,
It's a heavy one.
wow. Can you see this?
So
And then next up we have is this.
So it's a different kind of metal material.
Yes, exactly. So really reliable. Wow. Okay, that was so good. These samples are impressive, right?
Yeah.
Sure they are. And then we also have this on plastic. Wow.
So actually, our company also have the ability for the customer's special design requirement, right? So if you want to special design for your own, you can send us your sample and material. And we can make free sample for you.
Yes, that is absolutely true. Look at this.
It's a picture.
Picture of the Great Wall.
Great.
Wow.
It's so clear.
It's so clear.
I want to show
I want to have this just by my house and stick it right onto the wall. This is so impressive. Right? Yes. So for example, if you're looking to decorate your home and you have a picture or an image in mind, such as the Great Wall or any kind of image, our machine can print it out, and you just need to have the material and they print it out and it is ready just immediately.
Yeah.
So incredible, right?
Yeah.
Okay, that is one last thing we have is another kind of pen. So this pen right here is another kind.
So it's marked on the plastic, right?
Wow, great. And also on this kind of material. Wow, lovely. Cool.
It's for dog, right?
Yes, for dogs.
So cute.
So cute. Right.
So we can mark our pet's name on it, right?
Wow, that is great. Wow, I guess we've done all the samples. This is incredible. What do you think?
I think it's very incredible and fancy, and especially this one for our pet. It's so cute. I love it.
Yeah, this is so incredible. I'm impressed. Ladies and gentlemen, this machine, as you can see from our samples, this is just fantastic. I love it. But stay tuned because we still have more exciting and more incredible things for us to show for you.
Really? What?
Wow! Do you know we still have a very good engineer?
Yeah.
And you still get to know more about these machines.
So how to operate this machine?
Yes, exactly.
I want to see now.
Really?
Yeah.
You're so anxious.
Yeah.
All right. And I'm glad the viewers are also anxious as well. All right. Okay. So, therefore, I'm also going to give you more information concerning why these machines are incredible. So, these machines are incredible because of what they can do. The first reason being is that it is low cost in use. This machine is actually low cost in use. So no wearing parts, and it is free of maintenance. It is absolutely free of maintenance. High speed. Imported laser scanning system makes the marking speed up to 7,000 millimeters per second. This is an incredible speed. Highly, so fast that you don't need to wait so much time for the marking to be done. It just does it just in time. What about concerning the precision? The precision is so high that the reposition precision is 0.002 millimeters. It also has a good energy saving. The energy saving is the efficiency of optic electrical converting is up to at least 70%. 70%. And also high reliability. Why does it have high reliability? Because the mean time between failures is greater than 100,000 hours. It also has an integrated and compact design. The structure, as you can see, is so integrated that it is wonderfully designed. This is why I like this machine. It's small size and only 0.25 millimeters per square. Can be put on desk and easy to install. Just in your homes, in your offices. This machine design is so compact. And also the easy operation. Easy operation, and it has BCD training, trouble-free. So it's really so easy, especially concerning the software, such as you can operate it on Windows XP, Windows 7. The software is really incredible. 10 years long lifetime. The fiber laser device adopts German IPG technology, 100,000 hours lifetime. The reason being this company has this 10 years long lifetime. When you compare it with other companies, it doesn't have that long longevity lifespan. So our company has at least 10 years long lifetime. No consumables. While a machine can be used free of maintenance for 8 to 10 years, free of maintenance from 8 to 10 years. The air cooling, it has a really good air cooling system from our laser source. So it adopts air cooling and has excellent cooling effect than the other cooling method. This is why, as you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 of our good points as to why this machine is unbelievably outstanding. All right. So, right now, we are going to introduce our machine. So, bear with me as I introduce the machine to you right now. So, the introduction of this machine is that it is type handheld fiber laser marking machine. Can both work on desktop, or you can remove the bracket and make portable marking. Really easy to carry around. This is really portable. This design can meet a variety of production needs. The machine is compact and lightweight, easy to carry, with small footprint. Marking speed is 7,000 millimeters per second. Adopting imported laser source, the core components of the lifespan can reach up to 100,000 hours, no consumables, and is free of maintenance. You might be wondering what applications are used concerning our fiber laser marking machine. Has good quality output being, and the reliability is so high. It can mark on both metal materials and some non-metallic materials, mainly marked in areas for smoothness, fineness marking demands. It can mark on electronic products, metalware, watches, jewelry, plastic buttons, and other graphic circuits. The effect on bitmap marking is particularly outstanding. There it is, ladies and gentlemen. I'm glad you had to go through the introduction. So, right now, let's go furthermore as we have a look onto our machine. Come along with me as we have to see what this machine has for us. So, right here we have the Pedb 400B machine. So, as I've mentioned earlier, the design of this machine is so compact, really compact, that you can see that this machine is incredible. So right here we have a German-made laser scanning head. The laser scanning head is so incredible that you can actually, it's so incredible that it has a connection to the portable handle. Here is the portable handle that you can remove it from the laser source. It is freely movable and so easy to carry. So as it is connected to our laser source. As you can see here, this is the whole entire laser source. And the laser source processes a lot for this machine to function. So in this laser source, we have 3 functions. The first one that you can see right here, which is the red one, is the emergency stop button. If you have any doubts or you can see some malfunctioning problems, feel free to place your hand onto the emergency handle and the machine will start operating immediately. We also have the ignition key button. In order for the machine to get started, you need to switch on this button and the machine will start automatically. But that's not all. We also need to press this main switch button here. The main switch button is used when you switch on the ignition key and the main switch. Together, the machine will operate. So, portable handle, laser source, galvanized German-made scanning head. And right here we have the mirror focus lens. Right here is the mirror focus lens for the precision of and accuracy of the marking onto our materials. Right here we also have is a 3D working table. The working table is so nicely designed that here it can move up and down. So it's really convenient when it moves up and down for the high reliability and positioning of the printing, that it makes the quality become absolutely of good quality, just as you saw in our samples. So we have a computer that is connected to our laser source. So therefore, the computer, you put in the software, and the software, which is very easy to use. We can use Windows XP, Windows 7, all is convenient for the software of this machine. So, alright, I'm glad that you had to know. And one other concerning issue is that this laser source is easy to carry around. As you can see, it has 2 handles, one in the back and the other one in front. Okay, alright. So that is it, ladies and gentlemen, the Pedb 400B machine. So, right now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to invite our wonderful engineer in this industry. Please welcome my guest at this time, my favorite, my hard-working and proud member, in this industry, Mr. Wu! Hello, Mr. Wu. Yes, wonderful. Great to see you. Such a good gentleman we have here. All right, Mr. Wu, we need to see what this machine can do for us. Stay tuned and you will be impressed. All right, so Mr. Wu is now using the computer. So you can see, here is our material. All right, fantastic. Wonderful. Now, Mr. Wu, please, let's have the marking done on our material. So he places it onto the working table for good marking effect. And as I mentioned earlier, this working table can rise up and down. Okay, so there it is on the computer. You have a picture of a flower. Okay, all right, ready? 1, 2, 3, and go! There it is! Wow! This is good job! Wow! This is incredible. Mr. Wu, high five! Good job! I like this man. Okay. Next, he will continue to process. Okay. All right. So we are unsealing the handheld part. Okay. As I've mentioned, it is freely movable. So we have copper material right here. So, Mr. Wu, are we ready? Okay, begin. All right, there we have it. On copper, we have a Christmas tree. Can we all see it? This is incredible. It is amazing, right there, on copper, by our engineer, by our 400B machine. This is incredible. All right. Okay. That was an amazing view. Okay. So now, we want to look more onto the we want to look more onto the introduction concerning our next machine. Our next machine is this one right here, Pedb 400B machine. So, what is this machine? And let me tell you, as to the reason being, it is probably one of my favorite machines. Perfect Laser is a professional manufacturer of fiber laser mounting machines. The Pedb 400B fiber laser mounting machine is our most hot-selling model. It can have perfect mounting results on all kinds of metal material and some non-metal materials, such as stainless steel, carbon steel, aluminum, brass, copper, and hard plastic. With 7,000 millimeters per second, fast mounting speed, high working efficiency, and a good, stable performance. The machine has integrated compact structure with 1,000 hours long laser source lifespan. It can work for 8 to 10 years without any kind of maintenance. And it is easy to install, easy to operate, and we have no consumables. Free of maintenance and no after-sales worries. This machine is your best choice. So, the reason why I say it's your best choice, we are going to furthermore have a look. So please, come along with me as we see more concerning our 400B machine. As you can see here, there isn't so much difference, but you'll notice some new things concerning this machine. We have the scanning head as the same as compared to our other machine. We also have a focus mirror lens. Now this is identified as a bridge. Why is there a bridge? Now there's a bridge because the other machine has a handheld portable movement, but this one has a bridge, and it is assisted by a lifting handle. As you can notice, when I move this lifting handle, it goes down. It can also lift upwards. So the lifting handle has a range from 1 to 50 centimeters. 1 to 50 centimeters. Okay, right here we have our large, nice designed working table. We also have a rotary system. As you saw, it can mark on kind of cylinders and round objects. So our rotary system is right there. As you put this object, as you can see, it's round. We also have a red light. So the red light detects the beam onto the material. And the beam is right there. So, as our working table is here, and this is a rotary system, so this is how our machine gets the printing, the marking to be done. So, right here we have a laser source. The laser source has got three main functions. The emergency stop, as similar to the other, as I said earlier on. When you notice a malfunctioning or you notice an error, please put your hand onto this button. As you can see, our machine is turned on. With this key, and by simply pressing this button, you will notice a green indication. Once the light indicates it's green, it notifies you that the machine is turned on. Alright, right here, it is easy to handle and carried by your hand. So, that is all concerning this machine. Once again, I would like to invite our engineer to do another wonder of magic. Please welcome Mr. Wu! Alright. So, he adjusts the lifting handle and makes it a little bit upright. The rotary system is really good in adjusting the position and the movement of the object. So, are we ready? Okay. Let's begin. All right, there we have it. There we have it. Wonderful. Wonderful. Wow, this was good. This is really incredible. So now, the rotary system is known as an optionable item. So, due to the fact that it's optionable, now we're going to have a marking on this kind of material without a rotary system. Let's see what our engineer has for us. Okay, let's begin. Wow! This is incredible. Wow! This is wonderful. The quality is good. The bowl, as you can see right there, the marking effect is spontaneous. I love it. The marking effect was really, really spontaneous. I love it. Thank you so much to Mr. Wu. Let's give him another hand of applause for Mr. Wu. Wow. Great job. I'm glad you had to witness that. So, let me give you now a future introduction of our next machine, which is the Pedb 600 machine. So, let's go on to the introduction of this machine. It is an online flying fiber laser marking machine. It combines with automatic feeding system with a rapid laser marking equipment. It has a high product efficiency and the stable quality. The online marking system is suitable for multitudinous sequence production. It's suitable for users requiring batch production and high marking precision. The conveyor belt is an optionable item for you to choose, and the size can be customized. Let's look at concerning the application. What applicable materials can be used on our Pedb 600 machine? The online flying Faber laser marking machine is widely used for metal steel marking, stainless steel marking, nylon marking, ABS or PVC or PC marking, plastics marking, rubber marking, resin marking, and ceramic marking. All of these kinds of applicable materials. So, we are not limited. All materials can be applied. It is widely used in food printing, medicine printing, soft drink printing, cigarette code, wine industries, mineral water, daily cosmetic, wires and cables of all kinds of production lines. So, if you notice that you're working within one of these industries, please don't hesitate to inquire, to ask, call, because we will conveniently reply you immediately. So, this is really a good machine for your industry. Alright, so come with me and bear with me in mind as I give you more introduction concerning the Pedb 600 machine. Alright, come on! Okay. Now, you might notice a few similarities again, but it is also somehow slightly different. We do have a scanning head, we have a bridge, and the bridge is assisted by a lifting handle. As you can see, by a lifting handle. So, we also have an LCD screen here. And the LCD screen here is assisted by a USB port. The USB port here is to input a picture right here and you can do the marking. But this machine is the best for mass production. You might be wondering why. We do have an item that is the best for mass production. So right here, we have a conveyor belt. The conveyor belt is so good, so reliable, it lasts long, and it's good for mass production. How is it used? You simply place the material here, and it goes all along until it reaches this stage that the marking passes right onto there and it moves along and in a continuous rotation. So the conveyor belt is really useful and helpful in mass production, and it's quick. What more about the conveyor belt is that it doesn't have that kind of so much noise, so which makes it very convenient. We also have the fiber laser source there, and as usual, the stop button, ignition key, and the main switch of the power source. So, that is it for concerning our Pedb 600 machine. So right now, we are going to welcome back our engineer, Mr. John. Please welcome Mr. John. Mr. John, thank you for coming back here. All right, Mr. John. Right, we are going to see wonderful things that you have for us. Okay, so right here we have some materials. As you can see there, we have them. So, Mr. John, you're going to do the marking on our Pedb 600 machine. All right, let's wait for the wonders of Mr. John. So, by using the LCD screen here, he is going to input some software and information so that we can process it for the marking to be done on this machine. All right. So he adjusts the level so that he can make it sure that it is accurate. The accuracy is really important in the marking precision. All right. As you can see, the conveyor belt is moving. All right. Okay. All right. We are ready. So it starts from there, and it's good in mass production. We begin in 3, 2, 1, go! 1, 2, 3. Great. Great, great, great. All right. There we have it. There we have it. The marking was done on all of them. The best for mass production. All right. So, that was it concerning our Pedb 600 machine. So, right now, we are going to talk about main features concerning our 600 machine. So, it has a long and economic lifetime. The fiber laser source, which has a lifetime more than 100,000 hours and can be used for 8 to 10 years. Not consumable and free of maintenance. The low energy consumption, electro-optic productivity, which is the most significant advantages of this machine. It provides you to mark with a very low consumption. The air cooling is also a good concern. Energy consumption is quite low. It reduces the heating makes air cooling possible, makes it conveniently possible. What kind of controlling method does it have? It has an LCD control method. And we also have a foot pedal process, which the foot pedal makes your hands free to the operator during the marking process. And also we have a good marking software, particularly designed and written for laser marking. The multifunction and friendly interface, easy to operate. It can achieve different marking parameters, setting and application. Support 2D coding and can support any kind of computer that you have, any computer operation system, and all kinds of languages. That is what a quite awesome feature of the 600 machine. So the laser type is fiber laser. The laser output power is 20 watts, 30 watts, and 50 watts. The wavelength is 1064 UN. The marking area is 110 by 110 millimeters, or it can be customized. If you're looking to customize it, you can inform us. We can do the customization for you, and then we can be able to deliver it. The marking speed. The marking speed can be at least 250 characters per second. The minimal character size is 0.25 millimeters. And the minimal line width is 0.015 millimeters. We also have a very good power supply. The power supply is 220 voltage. The cooling method, it's an air cooling, as I've mentioned earlier on. It has a wonderful air cooling system. The repetition rate is 0 to 50 kHz. The bitmap format, it can be used for BMP, GPG, PNG, TIF, PCX, TGA, ICO, PNG, GIF, and PLT. So many kinds of varieties, which is the best. So, the power consumption is 0.5 kilowatts. So, that is wonderful. So right now, we are going to our engineer, Mr. John. Mr. John. So, now this time we're going to do a marking on cans. And these cans are going to be marked right on the top, and you'll see the marking. If you're working in this industry, I'm glad you're watching this right now. The production industry, this machine is the best for you. All right. So, as we now time for you to have a like on our page right here. Feel free to like, because we will give you more updates concerning our live show. All right.
So you can follow us by clicking the following button here to subscribe our channel, so you can find us easily next time.
Yes, that is true. And we also have some wonderful amazing discounts if you're watching this right now.
Yeah.
This discounts. For example,
We also prepare many exquisite gifts, and the coupons is part of our promotion policy, right?
yes, it
Just
is.
a small part. We also prepare the gifts and the warranty time, so we will tell them to you later.
Okay.
Now welcome the engineer.
All right. Let's welcome back our engineer, Mr. John. All right, Mr. John, let's begin. All right, as you can see, there is absolutely no marking. Okay. All right. Okay. We are ready to begin. In 3, 2, 1, go! Wow, incredible. Wow, another one. Wow, that was so good. Okay, so as you can see, the marking has been done there. All right. Okay. All right. As you can see, the marking is right there. There it is. There it is. Okay. All right. So they're there on all of our cans. This is incredible. Wow. What a wonderful job done by our engineer, Mr. Wu. Let's give a hand for Mr. John. Mr. John has done an incredible job. Mr. John, wow. Wow, wow, wow. That was amazing. So now, I'm going to give you more introduction concerning the machine that you see on my right side. So, okay, so therefore, we're going to have a good overview concerning our machine that you can see behind me. It's a 400F machine. So, the 3 dynamic focus fiber laser marking machine is suitable for both flat marking surface and 3D surface marking. No need to change the laser focus. The dynamic focus system can help you to quickly change the laser beam position for better marking effect on the 3D curved surface. As you can see, that has a great impression on the 3D marking surface. It has excellent beam quality. The laser beam is closer, faster, and have better results. It can be used in a wide range of multi-level marking. It can work on speculated surface without refocus. Alright, so that is concerning our 400F machine. So we do have some applications concerning our fiber laser marking machine. It has a 3D dynamic focus laser marking is suitable for marking all kinds of metal and some non-metal materials. And also the metals are stainless steel, aluminum, chrome, copper, brass, gold, alloy, and metal oxides. So concerning the non-metals, they are silicon wafer, ceramics, plastic, rubber, ABS and printing, ink planting, spraying, film, coating film, and special surface treatment. It can be customized to add full close protection cover for more energy saving and environmental protection. So, such as stainless steel, aluminum alloy, gold, ceramics, PVC, and plastic by our 400F machine. All right. Okay, this is a wonderful, good sample that we have here. Okay. All right, so now I introduce our engineer once again, Mr. John. Yes, Mr. John. Okay, so we're going to do the marking on this machine. As you can see, there is absolutely no marking. Clear and clean. We do have a very wonderful compact design of this machine. Right here we have is our LCD screen. We have the fiber laser source. We have a working table, and this can be moved up and down for adjusting the position of marking effect. We do have a door here that is used for the protection of laser beam that cannot reflect onto the user. So Mr. John is going to give a full demonstration on the marking. All right. Okay, so I guess we are ready to see the wonderful effect on this machine. Okay. All right. Okay, you place this onto the working table. You slide it right there. And then we are about to have a marking by using our wonderful online marking machine. So, while our engineer is doing the marking, let me give you some main features concerning our marking machine. Alright, so it can mark on both flat surface and 3D surface. It adopts German IPG fiber laser technology. The laser beam quality is much better than the traditional ones. The 3D laser marking spot is quite smaller and is suitable for precise and fine marking. It adopts USA import laser scanning head, which is right there. And we have an infrared focus system. The infrared focus system is right there, and it can work very conveniently. The laser beam quality is good. With good power stability, it can have 100,000 hours lifetime. The software control system can calculate the arc, radian, and adjust the laser focus automatically. The high photo electrical conversion rate is up to 30%. The whole power is less than 800 watts. It's energy saving. It has friendly software interface. It can support many formats such as DXF, PLT, CNC, STEP, and IGES. It has a long life and it's easy to maintain and the high precision. It is also absolutely free of maintenance. Back to Mr. John. Let's begin. All right. Wow. This is incredible. Ladies and gentlemen, can you see that? Okay, there it is. Wonderful. Wow, wow, wow. This is good. A big hand for applause for Mr. John. Mr. John has done an incredible job. I'm so proud of him. All right. The next material we're going to use is this kind. All right. Okay, so Mr. John, thank you and welcome. Let's do it. All right, Mr. Wu will begin. Okay. Okay. We are ready. So let's begin. 3, 2, 1, go! Perfect, perfect, perfect. Wow! Perfect laser, perfect marking for you. Wow, 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 wow. Ladies and gentlemen, another hand for our engineer, Mr. John! Wow, 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 wow. Wow, that was such a show with our engineer, Mr. John. Okay, so now, we are going to have back our host, Mrs. Area!
Hey guys,
Hey, how are you?
it's so cool about the presentation of the machine.
Just was amazed by what
Yeah.
these four machines can do.
Totally.
Yes, our engineer, John and Wu, did an incredibly good job.
Yes.
Yes, I'm really impressed. Yeah.
It's really a nice machine.
Yeah,
And
absolutely.
it can make so many beautiful logos and signs on the all different kinds of metal material, right?
Yes.
And what's more, we have many types of the laser marking machine, such as portable tab, lifting tab, rotary tab, UV purple laser tab, and 3D marking tab. And what's more, we have the laser marking machine for pens with special conveyor belt, and 4 to 8 chargeable table tab to mark on the animal earring tags. Right?
Yes, that's true.
Yeah, we also have the rotary tab to mark on the jewelry and rings, etc. So you can mark the one you love, the name on the jewelry and rings super romantic. Right?
Yeah, absolutely.
And what's more, our company have the special design and customizability, so we can provide our customer and you the full solution of all kinds of marking requirements. So if you have any marking requirements, don't hesitate to contact us and send us your design and your material, and we will make a free sample for you, right?
Yes, absolutely.
And in addition, our product have many certificates such as CE and ISO, and the certificate is certified by the SGS, a well-known international inspection institution.
Wow,
It's
our
very
customers
famous.
are more assured to
Yeah.
buy from us.
Yeah, the quality of our product is so reliable, right?
Yes.
I'm going to show you the certificate. The first one is a CE for the certificate. So with this certificate shows we have the power to go into the European market because our products have so reliable quality, right?
Yes, the quality is amazing.
We also got the Road certificate, as you can see here. What's more, we also have a Golden Plus Supplier Assessment Certificate and certified by the SGS. It's very cool. So,
Wow, all these certificates.
yeah,
This is incredible.
totally.
Wow.
We will make sure you will satisfied about our products because you don't have no we will sure you have no worry about our product's
Yeah,
quality, right?
absolutely.
And the performance, right? And now I got some questions from our customers, and would you please answer first?
Wow, questions. I'm glad you asked. That's a good thing. So, let me be an honor to be answering your questions. So please, I'm really curious to know what these questions are.
They are really good questions. So the
Okay.
first question is, what kind of material can be marked by the fiber laser marking machine?
Oh yes, it can mark all kinds of metal,
Right?
including stainless steel, carbon steel, mild steel,
Yeah.
aluminium, zone, galvanized zinc sheet. It can also mark on some non-metal materials.
Just like the sample we present to our customers. Right?
Yes, just in the beginning, the samples were so incredible. I'm so excited about them.
Yes, even myself want to buy one.
Yes.
It's so cool, right?
So
And
amazing.
it's really useful for the businessman in the industry, right?
Yes.
And what is the marking precision?
Well, the marking precision is 0.002 millimeters. It's a very high precision and can make very beautiful signs on the products.
Wow, that's so cool, right?
Yes.
So precisely.
So,
And how about the marking speed?
yes, marking speed. This is a really important question. The marking speed is very fast, so it takes a second to mark on your logo for your products. If you work with production line, we also have an online laser marking machine, which is that one, the online laser marking machine. That is such an incredible machine. So, when it can mark automatically when your product has arrived.
So what color can be marked?
Oh yes, color. This is a good question of concern. So it can mark white, black on your products. But normally the laser has no color. So the process to mark it is to remove the color of the product. If your product is electroplated, so it means that the laser will remove the color and reveal the color inside.
Wow, that's so cool for
Yes.
people who want to have the special mark, right?
Exactly.
And can it mark multi-colors?
Well, it depends. Like for example, stainless steel, we can mark colorful color by choosing our Pedb 400C model.
So it depends on the machine, right?
Yes, it really has a dependency on the machine.
Okay. So how about the marking effect?
The marking effect for the laser is a non-contact marking. So it won't damage the surface of your product. But the marking effect is delicate. It's not only permanent on your products, but their appearance would be so amazing that it has a great grade for your product.
So what's the working area of the laser marking machine?
The working area, yes, as you could see from different other machines, usually our marking area is 100 by 10 by 110 millimeters. We can also provide 175 by 175 millimeters. There's also 200 by 200 millimeters. There's also 300 by 300 millimeters in a big working area.
So it's great suitable for the customer's factory or something else?
Yes,
right?
a different choice and big working areas. Yeah, this is really much convenient.
So, what's the laser source brand?
Concerning the laser source brand, for you to choose, we have Max, Rakers, JPT, and IPG. All of them are the most top brand in the world.
So the quality is definitely will be great.
Yes, the laser is from 20 watts, 30 watts, and also 50 watts.
So, what's the software of the laser marking machine?
Well, the software is EZCAD. It is a professional marking software. So, it has a friendly user interface and can be used in many kinds of different formats.
So, what are the marking materials of the fiber laser marking machine and UV laser marking machine?
Well, the fiber laser marking machine is mainly suitable for marking on all kinds of metal. The UV laser marking machine not only can mark on metals, but also can mark on hard metals such as plastic, wood, and glass.
So it's very versatile, right?
Yes, that's true. The content.
So, what's the difference between the Inject printer and the laser marking machine?
Well, the content printed by the inkjet printer can be modified. Also, the sign can be removed by, cleaning the liquid. So you need to clean the liquid. The sign made by the laser marking machine is permanent, so it can be removed.
Yes.
Yes.
Very safe costing, right?
Yes. Another good concern is the consumables. And for inkjet printers, it needs many consumables. So you need to change the ink solvent liquid every week. It's highly important. Every week it should be changed. So, while the laser marking machine doesn't have many consumables yet. And you might be wondering something. One of the most important is the maintenance.
Yeah.
The maintenance of the inkjet printer is easy to get dry if you don't use it for a long time, or if you don't wash the ink pad completely. The ink pad is easy to be blocked. So, while for laser marking machine, the laser is coming out from the laser source. The laser source here. So it's totally free of maintenance, and the marking, you won't believe it, it's beautiful. The marking is, I was amazed by what I saw.
Just the sample we did, right? And what's the power consumption?
The power consumption of fiber laser marking machine is 0.5 kilowatts per hour. It is really energy saving, yeah. We have a real good laser source.
And what's the consumables of the fiber laser marking machine?
The fiber laser marking machine has no consumables. It is free of maintenance and can be used at least 8 to 10 years without maintenance. And once it's invested, the whole life benefits.
So it's very suitable for the factory to use it, this machine, right?
Absolutely.
To save the cost.
So you deserve it.
And are you a factory or a trade company?
Dear, we are a factory and we have 20 years of production experience in laser field.
Yeah.
We have customized abilities according to your special requirement for laser marking. Yeah.
And where is your factory located and how can I visit it there?
Yes, I think it's a good question that you need to know about our location. Our factory is located in Hubei province in China. Please, welcome to visit us at your convenience.
And how long is the lead time?
The lead time is 7 to 10 working days. As you're placing your order now to start your your business as soon as possible.
So how about the warranty?
The warranty time is 12 months. But if you're on our live show today, we can prolong your warranty. You don't know how long. 24 months!
That's so long, so we're totally real.
Wow,
During
24
this
months.
month, right?
Yeah.
Just for the March Shopping Festival.
Yeah, it's really a good chance to
Yeah.
buy one right now.
And don't miss this chance.
Yes.
And what's the trade term?
Trade terms, yes, we use the different kinds of trade terms. But the ones we are familiar with is FOB, CIF, CFR, and EXW. Those are our favorable.
And what's the payment method?
Yes, you might be, I'm sure, those of you who are watching, you say, I'm buying, but you might be wondering what's the payment method.
Definitely.
It's wire transfer, credit card, Western Union, PayPal, and Alibaba Trade Assurance.
Well, and what about the after-sales service?
Well, we are responsible for offering free parts for the warranty period. After warranty, the parts will need to be repaired or changed in customer cost.
And do you have any certificates?
Certificates, yes, we do have certificates. All the machines have passed the CE certification. So, you can be rest assured to order from us.
Yes, and we are satisfied by the SGS and the TUV. And do you arrange shipment for the machines?
Oh yes, of course. We can arrange shipment based on FOB and CIF terms, by sea or by air. We are a very professional team for shipping. Concerning the EXW price, shipment will be arranged by your shipping agent.
Yeah, and what about packing?
Well, concerning the packing, we comply with International Exporting Standard.
And thank you so much for your detailed answer. That is really helpful for our customers.
Yes, that is true. So don't worry, we will deliver the machine to your factory and making sure that it is completely safe.
Okay, thank you so much.
More than welcome. Feel free for more questions.
Yeah, and today, in order to satisfy your washing, we prepare lots of coupons and gifts. And firstly, in the March Shopping Festival, we prepared the following benefits for you. The first benefit is you can place an order over $7,000. Guess what? You will get coupons of $100. That's totally worth it, right?
$100! Wow, this is incredible!
Yeah,
The biggest!
Yeah.
Wow!
And to place an order over $3,000, you also will get coupons that are worth $50.
Wow, $50.
That's a big discount, right?
Very huge discount.
And place an order over $2,000, you'll get a discount of $30. And if you place an order over $1,000, you will get coupons of
$20.
It's totally worth it, and I hope you don't miss this chance.
Let's try to prioritize and optimize this opportunity that we have for you.
And secondly, our warranty time normally is just 12 months, right?
Yes. Wow. So you want to tell me we have 24 months warranty time and we have discounts.
Yeah.
Oh,
Totally
what a
awesome.
company. We so much love you.
And we will provide you with 24 months warranty time.
Yes.
And we have confidence we will make you satisfied. And then you don't have to worry about the warranty time, right?
Yes, absolutely.
What's more, we also prepare 100 sets of tableware as gifts. Would you please hold for me?
Okay, sure.
They are blue and white porcelain, as you can see, and have beautiful flower with Chinese characteristic. And I believe it will create a wonderful dinner time for you and your family, right?
Absolutely. This is such a wonderful gift, right?
And we will send it to whom participate our live show and place the order during this month, right?
Yes, this is truly an incredible
And
chance.
now, please take out your phone. That's to do the screenshot. And I will give you 10 seconds to do the screenshot, okay? And Mr. Dominic, please count with me.
All right, sure.
So here we go.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hooray!
I hope you guys already got the screenshot. And please send it to our sales representative to show you have attended our live show, and she or he will send you the special coupon, and you can use it directly when you place the order during this month. And time passes so fast, Mr. Tom.
Oh, it passes so fast.
Yeah, and our live show is drawing to the end. And so much for your watching and your time with us. And I believe you must get an overall understanding about how to choose the right side model and the performance of our machine, right?
Yes, and don't forget, we have a gift,
And
discount, and we have
coupons and warranty time.
high warranty time, 24 months.
And if you like our machine, please don't hesitate to contact us or send us online or send inquiries to us. And also welcome to our website to see more information and video about our product. And if you want to see more live show, please subscribe us by clicking the following button here so you can find us easily next time. Okay, it's really the time to say goodbye.
Okay.
And I'm sure you will get what you want here. And the perfect laser is willing to be your best partner from now and forever, right?
Yes.
And just waiting for your order, and thank you very much, and see you next time.
Bye.